At ArialGIS, we built a platform for land sellers and property developers to build virtual site visits of their properties for their potential buyers. The platform is called a plot viewer. Now we are solving for site visit limitations. Now, back in 2020, at the height of the pandemic, I was working with a land seller on a subdivision of property. Demand for land was up. However, there was no way for potential buyers to make physical site visits due to travel restrictions. And that's when we conceptualized the idea. Now, the Plot Viewer by ArialGIS is a web application that seamlessly fuses land subdivision maps with Google Maps and 360-degree drone images to create virtual tours. The land seller then shares these virtual tours with their buyers for them to view the property and understand it.
How we are working with ArialGIS is to provide a platform where our customers here in Kenya and in the diaspora can be able to spot what they are buying, albeit virtually, which comes in handy because many of the people are busy, they are not able to access the site. Being in the diaspora, they have to pay for an air ticket to come and see what they are buying. Out of what we are selling in a map, they can be able to identify what has been sold, what is remaining, where is the corner plot, where is the road, where are the amenities, because many times you use a lot of words to explain where the corner plot is, where the road is, but when the map is online, virtually accessible, you are able to identify and see everything that we are explaining to you. As they say, a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. So instead of explaining, the customer can be able to go online and see all these things that we are talking about.
And your dreams are about to come true. Congratulations, ArialGIS.
Wow, congratulations.
We've had support from the program in many ways. Being selected and awarded by such a reputable initiative supported by Standard Chartered has given us visibility and credibility. We've also had access to mentors from different industries. In particular, I'm grateful for the legal guidance that I've received. The funds that we received with the award have supported our operations and marketing activities. If you're an aspiring problem solver or an entrepreneur in tech, seek out programs that support your personal and your business growth. And if you're a woman, I suggest you start with the Women in Tech program by Standard Chartered.